Hello everyone, if you are new here, I am Chandrika, and if you are my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. Today I am comparing two products. Those are two foundations. One is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation versus MAC Studio Fix foundation. So I am going to share all the details about these two foundations, and I am going to compare these two foundations. And I did my makeup using these two foundations. On one side I use this Maybelline foundation, and another side I use this MAC foundation. I'll show you by applying Maybelline on one side and MAC on another side, so that you will know about it. And if you want to know how I created this beautiful foxy eye makeup look, the link is in iCards and description. You can check it. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So before applying foundation, I'm going to apply this primer, Blue Heaven primer, because no prime is a crime. So I'm taking very less amount and applying it first on my T-zone and then on the rest of my face, and just spreading it. So I'm done with preparing my skin. Now I'm going to apply this foundation. So I'm going to apply this MAC foundation. The sad part is you're not getting any pump for this. When you open this, there is no pump for it. You have to pour it on your hand or something and you have to apply it. So I'm taking a very little amount. I think this is enough for one side. Activating it. Now I'm taking this foundation brush and then I'm blending my foundation. You can use beauty blender if you want, but I'm using this foundation brush today. It gives you that natural effect. And if you are not satisfied with the coverage, you can build it. Like, it's a buildable foundation, you can apply it again. Like, I'm not satisfied with the coverage, so I'm applying it again. Now you can see the difference, right? Now on my right side, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and when you open this, you will get a pump here. It's really very easy to take the foundation and apply, but now I'm not going to apply this shade because it is very lighter shade for my skin tone. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. When I apply it on my whole face, then I can use this foundation, but for comparing, I don't think that I can compare these two shades. Both are from Maybelline Fit Me, but this is a small package and it's a big one. So taking a very less amount and then applying it. Again, I'm taking this foundation brush and then I'm blending it. Okay, I'm done applying the foundation on my face and neck. Now I'll complete my remaining makeup and then I'll come back. So now let's compare these two foundations. As I said, the price of this is 2,900 and the price of this Maybelline Fit Me is 549 rupees, and both companies claimed that they are poreless foundations, but when I apply this MAC foundation on my face, some of my pores are visible, but when I apply this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, most of my pores are blurred out. So Maybelline is best like if you want a poreless foundation compared to MAC. Both foundations will get the quantity of 30 ml. When I apply MAC foundation, I feel a bit heavy, but Maybelline foundation is very light foundation. It feels a bit heavy compared to Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And both of these foundations are liquid foundations, but when you open this MAC foundation, you will not get any pump in it. As I said, when you open this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, you're getting a pump for this. So you're getting a pump for this price range, but it is very high-end foundation, but you are not getting any pump in it. You have to apply, you have to pour it on your hand or somewhere else to apply. So I felt a bit difficult when I use MAC foundation, because sometimes you will get more product or sometimes you will get less product, but it is having a pump in it. You are not going to waste your product. And Maybelline Fit Me foundation contains SPF 22, and MAC Fit Me and MAC Studio Fix foundation contains SPF, which is 15. And Maybelline Fit Me foundation is a semi matte foundation, but MAC Studio Fix foundation is a matte foundation. And Maybelline Fit Me foundation is suitable for normal to oily skin types, and MAC Studio Fix foundation suitable for all skin types. And it claims that it controls oil, like the oil control capacity of MAC foundation is maximum 6 hours. If you have oily skin, it controls your oil up to 6 hours. And there are 18 shades available in this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which suits for every Indian skin tone. And you will get a small Maybelline Fit Me foundation package like this. It costs me around 299 rupees. So for this small foundation, it has 6 shades in it. There are 60 shades available in MAC foundation, which suits for every skin tone. Maybelline Fit Me foundation lasts for 4 to 5 hours, and MAC foundation, it lasts up to 9 hours. And the coverage of Maybelline Fit Me foundation is medium, and the coverage of this MAC Studio Fix foundation is medium to buildable coverage. Buildable in the sense, if you are not satisfied with the application, you can apply it again. And talking about the oxidization, yes, Maybelline Fit Me foundation oxidizes a bit, so you have to choose 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. So MAC foundation will not oxidize. So yeah, these are the comparisons between Maybelline foundation and MAC foundation. So after all that, I can say Maybelline Fit Me foundation, you can use it as a daily wear foundation, or you can use it for parties and functions. But MAC foundation is best for photo shoots, shooting, and parties, functions, and all. So overall, I can say that if you have a daily wear dress, you can compare that with Maybelline, and if you have a party wear dress, you can compare it with MAC. So both are good, and the price range, and these are the comparisons between these two foundations. So yeah, that's it. This is about the comparison between Maybelline Fit Me foundation and MAC Studio Fix foundation. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment your thoughts and suggestions. I would love to answer them. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.